In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a task as important in Microsoft To Do. If you've ever felt buried under a long list of to-dos, marking a task as important is a quick way to pull the most critical work to the surface. I'll walk you through exactly where to click or tap, what changes when you mark something as important, and a couple of simple ways to keep your view organized without adding extra steps. Start by opening Microsoft To Do and heading to the list that contains the task you want to prioritize. This could be any list you've already created: work, personal, errands, whichever one holds the task you need to elevate. Find the task in that list, and you're ready to mark it. On Windows and the web, the star icon appears right beside the task name in the list. You don't need to open anything, just click the star. On mobile, tap the task first to open its detail view, then tap the star icon there. Either way, the moment you star the task, it's marked as important. As soon as you do that, the task is added to the important Smart List. This is a built-in view that collects all your starred tasks from across all lists so you can see them together in one place. On desktop, look for the Important section in the left sidebar. On mobile, you'll find it in the app's navigation. The task still stays in its original list. The Important section is simply a filtered view that highlights what matters most. If you want your current list to reflect those priorities, you can sort it by importance so that all starred tasks rise to the top. Open the list's sort options and choose Importance. This doesn't change the tasks themselves, it just changes how they're displayed, making it easier to focus without hunting around. Changed your mind about a task? You can toggle the star off at any time. Just click or tap the star again, and it will no longer be marked as important. It disappears from the Important Smart List and returns to the regular order in its original list, with all its details intact. That's all there is to it. Open your list, find the task, use the star icon to mark it as important. Check the Important Smart List to see everything in one place, and sort by importance when you want your priorities front and center. With this simple habit, you'll spend less time scanning and more time tackling what truly needs your attention.